Our role is to ensure that HVAC equipment delivers its full potential over as long a service life as possible. We support customers across the entire product lifecycle, from commissioning to maintenance, through to repairs and retrofit. In doing so, we help extend the useful life of existing equipment, keeping materials in use for longer, and ensuring that systems continue to operate at the energy efficiency levels they were designed to achieve. Both of these are fundamental to reducing the environmental footprint of the built environment. 2025 was a significant year for us. We introduced Care Connect, our cloud and remote access technology, which allows us to resolve issues more efficiently and improve system performance without the need for an on-site visit. Retrofit was another major growth area. Replacing aging components such as belt-driven fans or outdated controls can meaningfully improve the energy efficiency of existing HVAC units without the material and carbon cost of full replacement. We also invested in strengthening our service agreement portfolio, as regular maintenance is one of the most reliable ways to ensure systems remain energy efficient over time. Geographically, we place greater focus on growing our presence in APAC and North America. We serve a broad range of sectors: commercial and industrial buildings, public facilities, car parks and tunnels, educational institutions, pharmaceuticals, hospitals, and data centers, among others. Despite the differences between these sectors, the core sustainability challenge is consistent across all of them: how to reduce energy consumption and CO2 emissions from their operations. And this is precisely where FläktGroup service adds value. My vision is to build a service business that uses digital transparency and data-driven insights to deliver measurable value for our customers, operationally, economically, and environmentally. Sustainability is already embedded in everything we do in service, and the opportunity ahead lies in maximizing that impact systematically across the full life cycle of our solutions. As tools like Care Connect mature and our data capabilities grow, we will be able to move from reactive support to proactive lifecycle management, anticipating performance degradation, optimizing energy use in real time, and helping customers make informed decisions about when to maintain, retrofit, or replace. That is where I see the future of sustainable service in HVAC.